Hello students, आज आम पढ़ा deletion of a node in the AVL tree. So we have already completed what is your AVL tree and the balancing factor in the AVL tree. Then when the unbalanced the tree becomes unbalanced, then I have to do the rotations. So what are the types of rotations? LL rotation, RR rotation, LR rotation and your RL rotation, and searching, insertion, and we have completed all this till this point we have completed. Okay, now we have to read deletion of a node in the AVL tree. So let's recap what is the AVL tree. AVL tree is also one binary search tree or BST that satisfies the condition. What condition it must satisfy? All the root node must be greater than its left subtree and the root node must be smaller than its right subtree. So this is the property of your BST. So AVL tree also satisfies that condition. And how the balance factor, we have to balance the height of the AVL tree. So you know that the AVL tree, when the AVL tree comes into our mind, then we have to think about its height. Okay, about its height. तो आमर बीएसटी कौन थिला तो बीएसटी आमर कौन थिला ना आम बीएसटी गोटे हाइट फैक्टर किछि नथिला बट इन द एवियल ट्री आई हैव टू कंसीडर द हाइट ऑफ द ट्री सो व्हाट इज हाउ यू नो दैट दिस ट्री इज बैलेंस्ड सो इफ द बैलेंस फैक्टर इज 0 or -1 or 1, then we know that yes, the tree is balanced. So we have completed all this in our previous classes. So when the tree becomes unbalanced, then I have to balance the tree. I have to balance the tree by taking these rotations according to our requirement. Okay, if I have just I have to recap all the things. If there is any imbalance in your left subtree, then I have to do the LL rotation. If I have any imbalance in the right part of the tree, then I have to do the RR rotation. If during the time of inserting an element in the right part of the left subtree, LR rotation. If I have any imbalance in the left part of the right subtree, then I have to go for your RL rotation. So during the time of insertion and deletion, generally this type of imbalance that occurs in our tree, that makes the tree unbalanced, and to make the tree balanced, I have to do these rotations. Okay, we have also completed the insertion of a node. So today we will go for your deletion of a node in the AVL tree. Okay, so you have to know all these before going to read your deletion. Okay, so suppose this is my AVL tree. 5, 3, 8, 2, 4. All these are all must be at the same level. Okay, then 8, 7, then 10, then 1, then 8, sorry, this is 6, this is 6, then 9, then. So here see, this each node satisfies your BST properties. Means your left subtree must be smaller than root and root must be smaller than your right subtree. You have to remember this. First thing you have to remember. Okay, second thing, what is your LL rotation or RR rotation or RL rotation or LR rotation. Okay, so you know that before going to teach this, you must know if this is a node, okay, this is suppose node L, then which part is your left side of the node and which part is your right side of the node. This is your left side of the node and this is your right side of the node. Okay, so I have to, if I have to do the left rotation, then I have to go for the clockwise rotation. Clockwise rotation means how the hands of the clock rotates. Okay, they rotates this way. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 6. So clock always rotates in this way. Okay, so this is your clockwise rotation, this is your LL rotation. And when taking the node, this is your right side of the node, this is your anti-clockwise rotation, this is your RR rotation. Okay, so now I have to delete some nodes from this AVL tree. So first I have to consider whether the tree is balanced or not. Whether the tree is balanced or not, first I have to do this. So how I will find my balance factor? Okay, you know that always left side means positive elements and your right side means your negative elements. Okay, so when I have to consider the height of the tree, I have to consider the height of each node. Okay, so here your this is 0, this is 0, this is 1. Okay, so if the right side kichhi nahi, okay, so balance factor is 1, 0, 1, this is 1. Okay, then this is 0, 1, 2, this is 0, minus 1, 2 and minus 1 difference is 1. Okay, this is also balanced. Then come this side 0, always the height of the leaf is 0. Okay, if I have to consider the left side, I have to go 0, 1, 2, 3 positive way, and if I have to go for the right side, then I have to take 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 in the by putting one negative sign. Then I have to calculate that difference during the time of calculating the node. So previous class आम सब जाक डिस्कसन कर देचु जे आम हाइटा केमी आम बाहर करवा. ओके, अच्छा ठीक अच्छे. तो मुझा सब जाक कहूँ आगुरी कहीदे जेहेतु मुझा सब बेस भितर को जाऊनी. तो 0, सो दिस इज योर लेफ्ट साइड 0, दिस इज 1, यार किसी राइट साइड ना. So your balance factor of 6 is 0. All leaves balance factor is 0. Okay, height is 0 because height is 0. Then your 7, 0, 1. Okay, then so it's 1, 0. This is 1. This is minus 1, 0. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So again height is 2 minus 2, 0. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So balance factor 0. So the tree is totally balanced AVL tree. So when I have to delete some nodes from this tree, then it may cause any imbalance. So the tree became unbalanced. So do that balance factor to make the tree as the balanced tree, I have to do some rotations. Okay. Okay, now your question is delete. Your question is delete 4, 6, 4, 8, then 8, then your 6, then 5, suppose, then 2, 1 and 7. Okay, so first I have to delete 4. Okay, where is the 4 present? Okay, this is your 4. So if this is a leaf node means its height is 0 and it does not have any child. Okay, here 1 is your leaf node, 4 is your leaf node, 6 is your leaf node, 9 is your leaf node, and 11 is your leaf node. Okay, so if I have to delete 4, then I can delete and see whether there is any imbalance or not. मुझे सब इरेज कर दूसरी balance factor, then I have to calculate. अच्छा, suppose I have to remove 4. Okay, 4 टा delete कर दूँ. So I have to calculate the balance factor. So here 0, 1, 0, 1. Then it किसी राइट साइड नहीं, तो यार balance factor है 1. ओके, मैं भीतर लिख दूँगी balance factor है 1. अच्छा, 0, 1, 2. Your left side tree's balance factor is 2, but there is no right side subtree. So this here its balance factor is 2. So here imbalance occurs. Here imbalance occurs. Okay, then take this 0, 0, 0, then 0, 1. Okay, then 0. This is 1, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0. Then 0, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So its balance factor is 0. 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 3 and minus 3, 0. So your imbalance is here. Every node's balance factor is okay, but here your imbalance occurs because your here balance factor is 2. Okay, so which rotation I have to take to make the tree balanced? Which rotation? Okay, now see which part makes imbalance, which part makes imbalance. So this is your imbalance, here your imbalance occurs, that is your 2. Okay, so I have to do, this is the left part. mo previous class re kahitili, I have just discussed how I have to decide, I have to take the LL rotation or RR rotation. Okay, so here the imbalance is at the left part of the tree, so I have to do the LL rotation. Okay, LL rotation means, again I have told that your clockwise rotation is LL rotation. Now clockwise rotation, here imbalance occurs, so I have to do the clockwise rotation, L L. Okay, so LL rotation means your left rotation, and each node must be shift to one position left from its current position. So 3 comes here. Okay, so 3 comes here, again 2 comes here, and 1 comes here, 2 comes here, 1 comes here. So now the tree will be do the rotation likewise. Okay, first you have to draw the question tree, so that during the time of writing the rotations, you have to do the rotations and you have to write it in another step. Okay, so एटी तमरो कौन थिला 3 थिला, आउ थरे अगेन नहले कर दोची 4 थिला, एटी कौन थिला तमरो 2 थिला, एटी थिला 1 थिला. Okay, so imbalance is when I will delete 4, then imbalance will be here 2. Then I have to do this type of rotation, this is your LL rotation. Okay, then this will also move one to left, this is also move, this is a clockwise. Okay, so after the doing the LL rotation, the tree will be, you remember the question. Okay, the tree will be 5, then as usual there is no imbalance. Okay, 7, 6. You can notice this is according to the BST rule, means always the root or the node is greater than its left subtree and or smaller than its right subtree. So able tree also follows that. Okay, now I have to do, now 3 is here, because of the LL root 3 is here, then 2 is at the 3 position, then 1 is the 2 position. Okay, now my tree will be like this, and again I have to calculate the height factor. Okay, height of the tree balance factor. So if the left and right's difference is 0 or 1 or minus 1, then my tree will be balanced. So this is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Let's take this side 0, 1, 0, minus 1. 1 and minus 1 difference 0. Okay, then I have to take this 0, then this is your 1, but no right subtree, so its balance factor is 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, ठीक अच्छे 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2, 0, then 0, then 1, then 2. Okay, take this 2, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So difference is minus 1. So if the tree's balance factor is minus 1, then tree is balanced. Okay, then I have to understood till this. Okay, then I have to delete. Next one is your 8. So here notice 8 is the most important part here, because it has some left subtree and right subtree. So left subtree contains 2 nodes and the right subtree contains your 3 nodes. So when I have to delete 8, then I have to think which node will take your 8th place. So you know that your BST will run, or BST will be traversed according to the in order rule. So what is in order rule? You know, tree traversal mu tum सब पढ़े थी जे हमर there are 3 types of tree traversal in your pre-order, your in-order and your post-order. The in-order means first you have to traverse the left child, then root, then right child. Okay, so according to the in-order rule, the predecessor of 8 is 7. According to the in-order rule, the predecessor means the agro predecessor of means left right root, predecessor of the root is the node is your left child. So when we delete 8, then 7 will take 8's place. Okay, according to the inner order rule, when I have to delete 8, then I have to think which node will replace 8, because 8 contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 nodes. If I will delete 8, then the link of each element will be cut. So how the tree will be formed? Okay, so first I have to think that yes, according to the inner order rule, that is left, root and right, the predecessor of root is your left. So its left child will take its position. Okay, so what I will do here, I have to delete 8, okay, 5, then 2, then 1, then 3, place these accordingly. Then I have to delete 8. So now 7 will take your 8th position. Again, if 7 will take 8th position, 10, yes, 10 is greater than 7, so it will be placed accordingly. And your 9 is also your, these tree will be placed accordingly, because they are greater than the 8, they are also greater than your 7. Okay, now the link of 6 will be cut. So how the 6 will be placed? इंसर्शन ने सब कही जो लिंक कटिबो तो तुम केमी प्लेस करबा अकॉर्डिंग टू द बीएसटी रूल मु कही तो अगेन मु कही दउची यदि लिंक आमे अकॉर्डिंगली 1 2 3 प्लेस हो गला 10 11 एंड 9 10 11 भी प्लेस हो गला बट लिंक व्हेन 7 गोज हियर लिंक ऑफ 6 विल बी कट तो ताहले केमी प्लेस हबो अच्छा देखिबा 6 according to the BST rule 6 greater than 5 so it will come here then 6 less than 7 so it will be placed here. Then I have to calculate the balance factor. Okay, then this is 0, this is 0, 0 1 0 minus 1, so balance factor is 0. Now this is 0, this is 0, 0 1 0 minus 1 0. Okay, then 0, this is 0, 0, this is 1, 0 minus 1 minus 2, balance minus 1, this is balanced. Then 0 1 2, 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, balance factor is minus 1, so this is also balanced tree. After deletion you have to do the rotation if the tree is imbalanced. Again after doing the rotation also you have to find the balance factor whether your tree is balanced or not, you have to see that. So my balance factor is minus 1 when my tree is balanced. Okay, then I have to delete. Now this is my input tree. Okay, so now I have to delete 6. Okay, 6, where 6 is present? Yes, 6 is present here. So do this in your copy. So now I have to delete 6. So if the 6 will be deleted, here 6 will be deleted. This is my input tree. So I have to write, before everything I have to write like this: delete 4, then your delete 8. Then I have to write delete 6. Okay, now I have to draw this tree here: 5 2 1 3, then your 7, then your 6, then 10, this one is 10, then 9, then your 11. Okay, so I have to delete 6. So when 6 will be deleted, how the tree will look like? So 5 2 1 3, then your 7, 6 will be deleted. Okay, then your 10, then your 9 and 11. So calculate the balance factor. Okay, calculate the balance factor. So 0 0 0 1 0 minus 1 means 1 and minus 1 difference is 0. Now this is 0, this is 0, 0 1 0 minus 1 difference is your 0. Okay, then 0 minus 1 minus 2, 7 don't have any your right left subtree. So the here the height of the tree is minus 2.